Hi guys, I'm Sudeshna Maharjan and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made an A-line skirt out of scratch fabric. You guys must have noticed this look from my previous video and you guys really loved this look back then, and for today, I'll be showing you how I made this skirt. First of all, I made a quick sketch of how I wanted my skirt to be. I chose reddish orange color for my skirt, and for this I am using Staedtler color pencil. And after my sketch was ready, I got this Korean satin fabric of 2 meters. Here is the draft of A-line skirt. And after the draft was ready, I made the pattern on my paper. And after that, I traced my pattern on the fabric. And then cut it. This is the front part of the skirt. I'll be putting zipper on the back side of my skirt, so I'm cutting separately. And after cutting the back side, I started stitching. I sewed the dart line first, then attached the side seam together. Then I ironed hard paper pasting as per my waist round for the belt. And after that, I attached the zipper on the back side of my skirt, and after attaching the belt too, I ironed my skirt, and my skirt is finally ready. It didn't took me long. I think it took me 25 to 30 minutes to make this skirt ready. That's how you can make an A-line skirt very easily. It was super fun for me to make this A-line skirt out of scratch within 30 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care, bye bye.